So what I do want to discuss is a few tips, recommendations for creating content. So this goes for organic content as well, but of course also for advertising content. The first one is keep it short. Especially the first 3 seconds are the main important ones, because that it decides if somebody sticks to keep watching or is moving away. And especially because there's so much offer, people move away quickly if they're not interested. So first 3 seconds, really important. On average, I would recommend using a video between 9 and 15 seconds. Could be up to 60 seconds even. But on average, what we can see for the best performing ads as well is they're around like 9 to 15 seconds. Then second point is style it like user-generated content. So where it used to be like really about design, good cameras, having the design optimally, for TikTok it's more about like the message. So it's not about aesthetics. So user-generated content looks more native. So it's real people, real conversations, a lot of influencers, but really on a like normal native way, which doesn't look like they're really set up like an advertising. So, and that's a good point to remember. So don't set the bar too high when starting to create content, because it doesn't need to be perfect. And then encourage an action. So really have a call to action in there. So what do you want from them? So maybe it's engagement. Maybe it's you want people to go to your website. Maybe you want to have a sale. Really call it out and put it in there. Then another thing is considering audio, where Instagram used to be a long period of like people always using it on mute. A lot of people use TikTok with their audio on. So I think almost 2/3 of the users on TikTok use their audio on. So this could use to your advantage. Maybe of like voiceover, music in there. The songs are of course really trending. Maybe you can look into what trends are there to use. And then last but not least, focus on one message. So what we discussed per layer as well, focus on one message. Don't try to put everything in there. Tell us who you are. Try to create engagement and try to get them to the website. Focus on one point, one call to action per creative.